Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Cloven B. Bastasa, and this is my presentation for part 2 of my healthy meal plan. And we are given 5 questions. And the first question is, what is a specific goal and purpose does your meal plan aim to achieve? And my answer to that, the main goal and the purpose of my meal plan is to support healthy bulking, and I created it to help increase my muscle mass and overall weight with in a clean, realistic way. Since I'm a Filipino, I combine traditional meals like adobo, tinola, champurrado, and longanisa with more gym-based or American-style foods like grilled chicken, breast, oats, and peanut butter. And the purpose is to fuel my body for growth, especially while I'm being physically active like workout. And what is the daily calorie intake you intend to maintain? This is for question number 2. My plan aims to keep me to 2,900 to 3,200 calories per day. Depending on the day or meals, this range supports. This supports bulking while giving me enough energy to exercise and recovery. And the question for number 3, did you ensure that all nutrients in your meal plan were balanced? For me, no, not completely. I did include all the I did include major nutrients like protein, carbohydrates, and fats, and also added vegetables and fruits for vitamins and minerals. But since I'm also exercising regularly, I realized that the plan might not fully meet the increased demands of my activity level. For example, I might need more protein or better meal timing to match my training. So it's a strong foundation, but I need to keep adjusting to it to stay balanced for my fitness goals. And for the fourth question is, what are the overall health benefits of the meal plan you created? This meal plan promotes muscle gain, sustained energy, and better recovery from physical activity. It also improves digestion and supports the immune system because of the fiber, vegetables, and the whole foods. It avoids processed junk foods and encourage home cooked meals or Filipino traditional meals, which are healthier in the long term for my meal plan. And for the last question, if someone is open to adapting and following your diet plan, would you recommend it? Why or why not? For me, yes, I would recommend it for the people who are wanted to be bulky, especially if they are malnourished. And for the people who want to gain healthy weight, it's easy to follow, affordable, and uses familiar Filipino ingredients. And also, it has enough variety so it doesn't get boring. And it can be adjusted depending on the person's body goals. Just like me, they can continue to improve it based on their lifestyle in activity level. And that is all for my 5 questions or 5 answered questions about the Filipino meal plan. And thank you for watching.